Hey guys, it's Mr. Aegis Tech here. Today we got an unboxing from monstercables.com, and this is the company that makes Beats by Trays and many other stereo accessories. So let's just cut right into this. And we'll probably have to cut the sides. Now this is just an unboxing video, not a review video. That will be out very soon, as soon as I actually use them. And I believe these are the headphones. Let's see what they are. We'll just open it right up. We got some bubble wrap. Nothing else inside. So we'll put the box off to the side. And get rid of the bubble wrap. And here we go. The mobile Jamz high performance music headphones. Includes 2 GB Monster Mobile Media Drive and Monster Mobile Media Manager. Guess we'll just have to see. It has a little flap right here, and it actually has a lot right here, a lot of features. So let's just try and open it up. I believe you just slide it right here. Very nice packaging though, almost like a computer software, like how they used to come for like PCs. So nothing else in there. Right there, mobile Jamz, and right here we'll just cut that. And let's just open this right off. Cut that right off. And the packaging looks pretty good. Let's see how this comes off. Just pull this up. And right here, we have life is too short to listen to bad headphones. And I've heard from many people that the actual Apple headphones are like crap quality compared to these. Just what I've heard. Now this is like a nice little pocket for these. Nice protection pouch. Over here we have the actual headphones itself and the SanDisk that it talked about on the front. So let's just try to take out all this stuff. Oh, I believe this comes right up. Yeah, and it does. So let's just try to pull this off. And there we go. We got it right there. Let's just get it right back into where it was. I'll see that later. Put this off to the side. It also comes with the USB. So this goes right into USB. You put the micro SD card right in there, and that plugs right in USB. So that's that. Here are the high quality headphones, and we'll just pull it out of there. Right there, and get it out from here. So very nice packaging on all of this, though. And there's nothing more on there. Now over here we have, I don't even know, right here. We'll figure out what all this stuff does later. I think it's for the different recessed, like however the headphone jacks are. This one looks like it's the skinnier headphones, so probably for Blackberries. I know that they have smaller ones. We have some more earbuds for people who have bigger ears, smaller ears, and a little clip, it looks like, right there. More stuff. Jeez, comes with a lot of stuff. a lot of goodies. So right here we got mobile Jamz, Monster music headphones, stuff like that. Monster, and I believe that's all. So this was the quick unboxing, more like 5 minutes, but this was the unboxing of these headphones, which also does come with one of these. So if you own like a BlackBerry or something and you want to actually put music on it like an iPod, this would probably be your best bet. It comes with high quality headphones, so as it says, SD card and a USB slot. So guys, this is Mr. AJ's Tech. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check out further videos and check out the review when it's out. So, see you guys.